guys, welcome to the show. If, like me, you're stuck in the middle of a kitchen renovation and your gas stove has run out and there is literally no way to make scrambled eggs, well, it is time to invest in a portable induction hob. Oh yes. With me today I have the Ikea's Tillreda induction hob, which is supposed to work really well, I hope, fingers crossed. Let's take a look inside the box and see how it fares. Oh, hello.
I'm here to unbox the box.
Well, thank you very much. Now, you know, when your gas stove isn't working, you're quite limited in how you can actually cook your food. And I've been stuck with an oven, cooking oven food for the past 3 weeks. So I was quite pleased to get my hands on this. I did a bit of research. I had a look at the Kmart one, which was about $10 cheaper than the Ikea one. But it just had so many buttons, so much like logos on it, it didn't look pretty. And this one just looks a lot sleeker and looks nicer as well. So fingers crossed it lives up to expectations. How's it going in the unboxing, Mr. Unboxer?
We're almost done. It's very, very easy to unbox. Very, very nice, very, very good. And just look, it's so nice and clean and gorgeous. Just look at that.
That is nice.
Beautiful white and black. Just a simple two-tone color display.
It's got a great handle there, hasn't it? So you can hang it up. That's fantastic.
Well, what's great about this is if it works, we're going to be testing it out. If it works, you can even use this outside like barbecuing.
Yeah.
You don't have to use it in the kitchen, permanently for life.
Or even camping as well, if you've got an electrical supply.
Yeah, it looks really nice, I got to say.
Really good.
It looks
sleek, doesn't it?
Sleek, yeah.
It's really sleek.
Yeah, I'm excited about this.
I'm excited too.
So you just plug it in, is that how it works?
Plug and go and turn it on. It does come with a user manual, of course. Now, probably worthwhile just having a look at this. Obviously, if you're using an induction hob, you need to make sure that you've got an induction cookware that is suitable because it doesn't, whoa, that was cool. Yeah, so make sure you've got a suitable induction cookware. We here have got a Le Creuset saucepan, which is induction happy.
So the key thing about induction is that it's magnetized. So it uses the magnet electricity to pass and transfer the heat.
Yes. Okay, so first up, when you plug it in, it will activate the child safety lock, which you do need to deactivate first by pressing on the button. And now it's time to turn on the induction, and you do this by pressing the power button here. And you can go up in the levels, all the way up to level 9. So I'm going to go for level 4 to start with. Now, as you can hear, the fans are whirring. That is to keep it nice and cool. There is nothing in my saucepan, so I'm going to make some trusty scrambled eggs. Let's pop that in there. Let's see how well this fares. Oh, it's heating up already. Oh my goodness, it's quite quick. All right.
It's pretty good. I'm hungry. I can eat that.
Oh my goodness, if this works.
Wow, it's really fast.
Oh my God, I can't cook this fast. Bit of pepper. Oh yes. And now let's just quickly, oh wow, how awesome is this? It is actually cooking. You know, I actually was a bit skeptical as to whether or not this would work, but it's working, so I'm pleased about that. Let's see. Oh, I've missed you so much. Heat on a stove. I've missed you. Okay, let's leave that to cook for a bit. I guess what I really like about this Ikea induction hob is the aesthetics of it. It is quite black, it's sleek. It's only got a few minimal buttons which are very easy and straightforward. It has a stop and go function, which is the pause button over here. So if, for example, I just want to stop cooking for a little while but keep the pan nice and warm, I can press that, and then when I'm ready to resume my cooking again, I'll press it again, and it just retains the same level of power as you did when you paused it, and it just carries on heating away. Okay, it looks like things are starting to happen, so I'm going to start just, oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, this is great. Look at the steam coming off. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. I don't know why I didn't think it was going to work. Maybe I thought that 2000 watts was not powerful enough, but if it's doing an egg, I mean, if you are camping or if you're just like me in the middle of renovation, you just need to fry something, it's actually not that bad.
All right, that's looking very tasty. Now, I want to know as well as the viewers, everyone wants to know, how does this compare to your previous Smeg induction cooktop?
Yeah, so I had a 60 centimeter Smeg induction cooktop prior to all of this, and actually This is, I'd have to say, very similar. It even sounds the same.
So
as
level
well.
4 is the same as what it would be.
I would even say perhaps level 4 is perhaps too high.
Oh.
Usually I was like on the Smeg one, I'd be like level 4 or 5 cooking, but it wouldn't be this quick. So I think
this is more powerful.
I think so. I think I'd have to take it down a notch actually with this.
Maybe it's the first go.
It is the first go. It's sticking to the base a little bit, so that's, you know, something that's quite strong. It shows it's quite strong. I think these are done. Oh my goodness.
Done.
That was very quick. That was so speedy, wasn't it?
But obviously, compared to a gas, it's not as powerful.
Yeah.
Gas is like super quick.
Gas is super quick.
But you haven't tried level 9 yet.
I don't think I want to try level 9 because it's going to burn my frying
You like
pan.
slow cooking.
I like slow cooking, and particularly with this particular pan, they do ask you, the cruiser says, to use a low heat. So I'm going to turn this off right now and put it on pause. The other thing about this, apparently it has a timing setting as well. So you can actually set a timer.
Yeah, let it go.
Yeah. So I have to say, I cooked those eggs probably in a couple of minutes.
Yeah.
This is quite nifty. I might just do the handle test just to see the hand test,
Good luck.
to see if it is warm.
Oh.
It does feel warm, just hovering my hand over. I'm a little bit too scared to touch it.
No, it's hot.
It's hot, yeah. So obviously don't touch it immediately. Let it cool down.
Okay, but that was good. I like that. I like that challenge. But man's got to eat steak. So can this actually cook steak? That is the challenge that everyone wants to know.
I think it could.
Well, I don't know actually, because people in Ikea, they probably don't like meat. So this probably, actually, they might not even like eggs. You're in trouble. You just cook some eggs.
But you know, I think...
You should have cooked some plants.
One last thing is, just like the Smeg, it actually says H, which means hot. So it does tell you that it's hot, obviously, so you don't touch it. I really like this nifty little
So
thing.
the question for you is, why don't you ditch the Smeg? That cost you like $2,000 and just switch over to a $60 Ikea. One of these Forever Bistos, Trilladillas.
Good idea, isn't it? But it is a bit chunky, like you kind of don't want this on your bench. Maybe,
Yeah, slot a
if you
hole.
were living in like a hotel or something, my goodness, if you were a traveller, you could take this with you
And
to
you
a
don't
hotel.
need an electrician to hardwire it.
Nothing.
It's plug, you can even put a timer on the plug, have it turn on for breakfast, cook itself, Wi-Fi. Guys, hope you found this amazing, riveting Tridella IKEA cooktop review. I am amazed by this technology. I'm going to be going out and buying another one.
Why? No, this is great for if you're in a rut or you're stuck and you need a temporary measure or you're camping or anything like that, then this is the induction hob for you. But just make sure, word of warning, make sure that your cooktop pans and saucepans are the correct ones. Thank you so much, IKEA's induction hob. I cannot wait to use you again.